Yeah, so welcome to my screen. I'm Crypto Lord, as you already know me. I hope I've told you that I'm starting a challenge that I will be flipping $10 to $1,000. Yeah, so I've done episode one. Episode one was how I was able to get a fund. Yeah, so I started everything from zero. So getting the fund, I got the fund from my friends. I told them that I need $1, I need $2, I need $3, and they sort me out. And I'm able to what to reach $100 right now. So I want to break down, and as after all, I will do live trading with you all as well. Yeah. So this how I was able to do it. So I did it with future trading. So if I come to trade here, you'll see that currently I'm in trade right now, and Trump coin is going. I just entered the trade right now. Yeah, because I have already done some trade from $10, and I've bid this from $20 up to $100 right now. Yeah, so we are the goal is to for us to reach $1,000. But you can see that the USDT is the one bringing me down right now. I'm down with negative 4.02. Yeah, USDT, and you can see that all this thing I go 40 20 20 20 USDT to do it. Yeah, so let me break everything down for you. So first, the Trump coin, I go short because you can see that 30 minutes, 50 minutes is in the green, but so you see, have you seen this chart? This chart is. Let me go to the here. Let me go here for you to see it well. The Trump coin, the Trump coin. And after that, I'll advise you on how to do things. You see, the Trump coin. You can see this chart over here. And here, so this chart, it went up and goes down and go up to go up, come down and come here. So I knew it will go down small so that it will come up. That is why I go short. Yeah, and it can also go top and it will come down. Yeah, everybody have the way he analyze his charts, his candles before he enter trade. You see, some people will go long because you can see this one is the same, but I knew it will go down small, then it will go up. Yeah, and the down is where I'll close my market, then it will go up, then I'll enter my market again. Yeah, yeah. So so that is why I go Trump down, and you see right now it's in profits. It's profits. The SU is negative. That's I'm losing. Solana, I'm in profit of 1.36, 38, 34. So right now you can see that I have $2 on the $100. So it means that we are winning. And the goal is for us to change this $100 to $1,000. You see that thing? Yeah, for us to change this $100 to $1,000. And you have to know that it's live. This one is live. You can see the demo here. So it means that I'm doing live trading. Like it's live trading. Yeah. This I'm losing negative 4.0. That's negative 13%. But I know that it will turn back. I know that it will turn back. And one thing, like if you're doing your trade and you're in the red zone and you haven't hit your stop loss yet, don't close it. If you haven't hit your stop loss yet, don't close it. Yeah. So it's going down, and I went short. I went long, but I knew it will go top. And my stop loss for the SUI was 3.2, and currently the market price is 3.2355. So if it reached 3.2, it means that I've reached my stop loss, and it will close market for me, and it means that I'll be losing. But I have from that it will turn over for me. Yeah, it will turn over for me. Yeah, but so far the others are in the green light. Yeah, Solana is in the green light. Solana to arrange shots. Solana to arrange shots. Solana have helped me build this from 20 to 100. Yeah, because like I've been making money with Solana. Yeah, so Solana to my stop loss for Solana was 160, and currently, and my take profit is 150, and currently the market price is 154. So when it's reached 150, I'll close the market, yeah, and take my profit, yeah. So and Ethereum to arrange shorts. Initially, it was up. It was on long, and I was down. But currently, it have turned over and it's going short. Yeah, arrange shorts, and my stop loss for Ethereum was 2,750.5, and the take profit 2,500. Currently, the market price is 2,588. Yeah, so it means that when it's reached 2,500, I take my profits. You see that then, yeah, because I go short. And as a beginner, don't your leverage have to be 2 to 10. Don't go more than 10 times. Don't go more than 10 times as a beginner with small capital. Because I'm using small capital, that's why I'm using 10 times leverage. And I use isolated. The reason why I use isolated is that I have small funds, so I don't want it to eat in other fund. So if you put it in cross, it means that if the money finish in your unified trade, it can jump straight to founding wallets. Is that then? Yeah. So always as a beginner, put your trade in isolated, and we have a lot of things that you have to know. So that one too, if you join my mentorship, you will learn everything. Yeah. So this one is day 2, and day 2 currently we have 103.55, and the goal is to reach 1,000 USDT before months. So this one is day 2. Yeah, this one is day 2. So I'll try much as possible and bring you. So right now the Trump is up. I have 1.61 right now. So Lana have 2.1 right now. Yeah. So currently is a SU that I'm losing right now. I'm down with 4.31, but I will not close it because it haven't hit my stop loss yet. My stop loss is 3.2. So I will leave it. I will not touch it. I have to hit my stop loss, but I know that it will turn over. Yeah, I know how I read my analysis and stuff. Yeah, I know how I do my stuff. Yeah, so I know that it will go up. So I will not touch this thing. I'll not touch it. I just have to wait so that it will go up and you will cash out. Yeah. So currently Solana, I have 9%, Trump 8.10, Ethereum 3.5, and one thing, let me remind you this thing. As a trader, you have to master 5 crypto pairs. Don't master more than 5. You see that then master 5 crypto pairs and master their behavior, the charts, the candles, how they go up, come down. Master it very well. You see that then? Yeah, me, I master 5 coins that I trade every day. Yeah, maybe 5 minutes later I will enter Bitcoin as well. Yeah, I'll enter Bitcoin as well. So I just want to know these things and we'll go. Yeah. So currently I have 104.25 right now. So it means that I have in $4 upwards. So the goal is to reach 1,000. So when today I end it, I will put the profits to the capital and also enter the trade again. I will not withdraw anything. That's how you have to build your capital as a small trader. Don't chop your profit. Add it up to your capital so that you'll be getting huge capital and you will re-enter trade again so that you'll be building yourself up. Yeah. So thank you, and let's wait for day 2. Day 2 I'll trade. Day 3 I will start the trade from scratch so that we all enter the trade and know what will happen. Yeah, I will start the trade from scratch so that we all know how it happen, how I do my trades and stuff. Yeah, and how I do my analysis. I said this one is for beginners. So if you have the passion to learn it, you can chat me too, and I'll guide you with small amounts. I'll guide you so that you become profitable and stuff. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and out.